Guys, thank you so much for watching. So we are getting a lot of the smoke from Canada down here in Ohio where I live. Other areas of Ohio is getting it really bad, like up by Cedar Point near Lake Erie is really bad. But down here we're getting a lot of it too, and our air quality is bad. But I wanted to do this quick video. I'm not going to be outside for more than 10 minutes, and plus my dogs have to go out to potty real quick. So we're just going to do a quick filming of our garlic, quick update. So I'll link the video, but I started garlic indoors over winter because I didn't have a chance to plant this prior fall because I was moving my beds around and I didn't want to lock a bed down with garlic because, garlic, is a long growing crop. So usually 8-9 months or so. I usually plant mine in October or early November and then harvest around June, early July-ish. So it's a little late from when I would normally harvest, but because I started my garlic bulbs indoors probably around January or February, I decided to leave them in the ground for a little bit longer. So let's go ahead and get those out, and then we will take a look at them, and then we will end this video very quickly. So we pulled the garlic out, very small, but I still say this is a good experiment. It's still completely edible. I'm still gonna eat them. There are some scapes on there. One thing is that the garlic kind of got lost in the bed with all the other things that got huge around it. So I think that could have been a factor towards the small growth, but it's fine. I've already ordered garlic for this season, and I will be planting garlic with you guys again in probably mid to late October. So we'll be back here talking garlic in a few months. But anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions about this video. I'll link to where I buy my garlic bulbs for planting, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye. Stay safe out there.